how to remove your personal information from Google if you're an European Union country citizen. Google has different policies for EU citizens, and it is called Right to be Forgotten. Accordingly, Google provides you different options if you're a citizen in a country in EU, okay? It's smart for us to read through the policies, and the links will be available in the video description. Because recently, Google privacy policies are enforcing Google to provide an option for EU citizens to get their personal information removed from Google search results, including Google products. So this is the web form that you need to fill out if you're a citizen of a EU country. It is a straightforward process. Let's imagine your name was Adam Williams. Someone searches for that, and Google shows some results that has your information. Then, obviously, select the country of citizenship for you. Obviously, it will be EU country here. Let's imagine you're a citizen of Austria. Then you select that. Your information, your legal name, first name, last name, and contact email address. If you're acting on behalf of yourself, then you select myself, or if it's for a client, then you select a client. If it's a family member, then you can select that. Now, since this video session assumes that this is the first time you're filling this out, then you wouldn't select yes. But if it's a second time, then you would select yes. Here, it's asking you where the URLs are. URLs are web addresses. That means when you search for your personal name or your phone number or your address, any information related to you that can be found from Google search, simply visit the website in question and copy the address. That's what you put here. And since the details can be found on perhaps different websites, let's imagine if it's on Facebook. If someone posted something about you on Facebook, then you select the address, which is the URL, from here, okay? Yeah. Let's imagine your details can be found on 100 different web pages. Then you would select, as in keep putting different ones accordingly, okay? Now, since removal requests are a serious matter, it's only in your best interest to really be thorough here to find all the different URLs that has information about you. And then reason for removal. Here I can't really tell you exactly what you should type here, because each removal request will be different. Let's imagine in this example it's saying this page should be removed because it has my personal name, my details, my image, or whatever the case may be. So the reasons go here. Let's imagine different web pages, different websites have your information for different reasons. Then you can actually add new group accordingly, okay? Then name used to search. That means whatever the search keywords are used to search for your name, you can provide that here. Then sworn statement. Since this is a legal declaration, you really need to read through what's going on here. And then date and your name as your signature, and then submit your request to get your details removed from Google web search. At this moment, before I close up, do keep in mind that if your information is coming from a particular Google product, let's imagine it's coming from Blogger, which is owned by Google. If that's the case, you want to visit this link here and follow a process accordingly. Okay? Policy non-legal reason this is for reporting content about you. One way or another, it doesn't matter where your information is at. If you're an EU citizen, this is the form that you want to fill out and submit to get your details removed. Now, on top of that, you can actually follow this approach as well. So basically, you're covering both angles, whether your details are coming from Google product or whether your details are coming from elsewhere on internet. This is the correct way to get your name, phone number, address, image removed if you're a citizen of European country. Do keep in mind there is other video tutorials that show you different ways to get your content removed from Google on Rankia YouTube channel as well as Rankia website. I thank you for learning with Rankia, and I'll talk with you in the next video session.